She was shrewd, too. Gave me just enough info to get me excited, but not enough for me to run with it on my own.
Did you get her phone number or email address?
No. She was going to call me the following week after she talked to this judge, her Fred's father. He was her last chance at fixing the problem the easy way. Her words.
Word. Some artsy chick. Love that. Well, let me warn you then. If you don't want her moving in with you, you better figure something out. You know what I'm saying?
No, what are you saying?
I'm saying things are gonna get nasty around here real soon.
Of course, no one wants to see people have to move. But the bottom line is that the law that protects these tenants simply is not on the books.
Oh! Oh, I'm gonna explode!
Oh, don't take it!
Now that seems a little lopsided, don't you think?
Oh, yeah?
I'm sure you solved a plethora of crimes and used your skills to save many innocent people since... What's her name?
Rachel.
Rachel. Since Rachel broke your heart, right? Man up, Darko!
You weren't, because you're stupid. And that's why you went to community college.